Time now for a check of your North Central Washington weather forecast, and hope you had a great day and hope you had a great weekend. Boy, it was a hot one out there. I was just speaking to our producer Malcolm prior to the newscast. Our average temperature over the weekend, 100 degrees. We were 97 Saturday and 103 yesterday, so it was a hot July weekend. Another hot one out there today with lots of blue sky, looking down at the Wenatchee Valley from our tower camera up on Wenatchee Heights. Lots of wind around the area today, and boy, there are all kinds of watches and warnings, including a critical fire weather warning, a red flag warning, and also a fire watch as we move into later on tonight. This critical fire conditions to about 11 o'clock tonight. The red flag warning will go until then as well. Seeing winds 15 to 30 miles an hour right now. In some locations, seeing wind gusts of 35 to 50 miles an hour. In the Okanagan Valley, you could even see gusts tonight of around 60 miles an hour. We're talking critical fire. Make sure everything is out if you have a fire of any kind, which you shouldn't this time of year. We could see some damaging winds with trees being uprooted and all kinds of damage from those very strong gusty winds. Be careful. Hot one today, as we mentioned, 93 our unofficial high temperature, 88 is our normal now. Our record high, 103, and that was set back in 1996. Another warm overnight low this morning, 73 our low, 62 is where we should be, and our record cold, 50 degrees, and that was set at 1969. Sunrise 5:19, and the sun sets now at 8:54. Let's get you into those Tuesday temperatures. A little bit of a break from the 90s and 100s that we've had the past several days. We're talking 84 in Moses Lake, also Ephrata, 85 in Quincy, just a touch warmer to the west. Wenatchee, Aniat, Chelan, Omak, 86 to 87 degrees, which, as we just showed you, will be slightly below where we should be for this time of year. 85 in Cashmere, 84 the high temperature tomorrow afternoon up in Leavenworth. Tonight we can expect mostly clear skies. This massive area of high pressure that's been there for almost 10 days now, not going anywhere, and that has a big ridge of high pressure over us, and all that warmth from the desert southwest comes our way. Mid-60s for lows tonight. Sunny, still a little bit breezy on Tuesday. Nothing like today, and we'll see high temperatures back to where we should see them for this time of year, into the mid-80s. And if you like the cooler weather, get out there and enjoy it on Wednesday, or Tuesday rather, because on Wednesday, back to the sunshine statewide, and we're also back to temperatures in the 90s. We're talking lower 90s for highs Wednesday afternoon, and we're going to continue that trend throughout the end of the week. Thursday, sunny and hot, even warmer than Wednesday, with highs into the mid and upper 90s for almost all of north central and over into eastern Washington. Friday, maybe a little bit of windy, breezy conditions, but the bottom line, it's going to be mostly sunny and hot. Here's an area of low pressure. This is actually called a thermal low. It's caused by all of the heat. It's really not going to produce any moisture, but it could bring some cloud cover, especially by Saturday, and it could kick up some windy conditions in the afternoon Saturday. High temperatures to kick off the weekend into the low 90s. By Saturday, or I should say even a little bit of rain showers activity Saturday for you folks up in Winthrop, Twisp, and even into Omak. And we'll stay partly cloudy on Sunday and still hot, with high temperatures to end our weekend into the low 90s. All right, your 7-day forecast tonight, 65 degrees, sunny and cooler, just a bit breezy for Tuesday, and 86, and then we jump right back into the 90s, 93 in sun on Wednesday, sunny and hot Thursday, our hottest day at 97. Boy, we're going to stay plenty warm for this time of year, mostly sunny, 96 Friday, a mix of clouds and sun this weekend, still warm with high temperatures in the low 90s. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.